Hey guys, we're doing a road test today. Towing. Got the new tires. Thought that would eliminate the massive sway. Then I decided, well, I'm going to take the truck to the Ford dealership and have the rear end looked at. I hear a lot of people say that they'll put a sway control, on the back, and so I wanted to have that looked at and check over some other stuff. Well, they ended up finding there's nothing wrong with the rear end, but the front steer gears, the gearbox that we just had put in 2 months ago is already defective. So they reset it. They didn't replace it. So we're testing it today, towing, to see if it made much of an improvement. It's windy today. It's been windy for days, so I'm getting a little bit of wind, pulling us around a little bit, but it is a lot better than what it was. But I can still say that it's not what it should be. So I'm probably going to go ahead and they have the Hellwig rear stabilizer. It's like 300 some odd bucks. So I think we're just going to go ahead and put that on. I'm averaging about 60 miles an hour, and it's blowing us around enough that I'm not comfortable. We're not going to lose control or anything, but it's not towing like it should. Our mechanic wonders about the axles on the trailer. When I had to put the tires on, he never bothered to look, so that could be a possibility too. So we're trying to see too how the tires are wearing. That will be a good indication that there could be a problem maybe with one of the axles. But as of right now, I can't really give a yay or nay on anything because, like I said, it's very windy, and I definitely wouldn't really want to go above 60 miles an hour the way she is, and 60 is a good speed. People that don't like it can go around us. Right now we're actually going down to a 2-lane road. So what we're doing is we ran from Warren, Michigan. We're going to go up to Emily City, get on I-69, run 69 since it's running a different direction than the wind, and see how that's going. I could have done this at home on like I-686, but that's below ground and it's in traffic, and I just, I don't want to deal with traffic. Okay, well, as I say that, it looks like there's a traffic jam here. So, but anyway, so we're going to try that, and we'll take a look at, how it goes in the opposite direction. Hi, Piper. So, we drove about 50 miles. We ran up 53 north. We're kind of blowing around a little bit, more than I would like, but a lot less than what it was. We headed on I-69 west for a while, running with the wind, and that was a lot better. I still think we're going to put the rear stabilizers on the rear axle. Right now we're heading back east on I-69, and we stopped at the same rest area that we've been stopping at for years for snacks, bathroom break, check the trailer, and Piper got to see all these big rigs that are all around here. She has a thing for the big trucks, so there's quite a few of them out here, and she's just like, wow, that one's green, that one's orange. She knows all the colors and she loves them. I don't know. Hello. One thing, we came into the bedroom and the snaps, there's like these little cord snaps that basically hold the door into place so they don't move. This side we put back on, but they actually both snapped off, and both doors now are way off track. I've said this in the past, I really don't like this design, but we're gonna have to do something with these because that's the second time that's done that. And yeah, so I don't know if we just have to make these straps maybe tighter and then make a lot more adjustments up here. There's these little screws that lock in, and then you tighten them. Maybe it needs to be tightened, I don't know, but yeah, so I mean, that's pretty minor. That's something we can do ourselves in 20-30 minutes. So got anything to say with your mouth full? What you doing, Piper? You're dropping your M&Ms. Oh, a blue one. Yeah, I see. It's right by Mommy's foot. Yeah. Should we go camping next weekend?
No.
No? It's Father's Day weekend. We should go somewhere. Yeah? Orange, yeah.
Right here.
So we did 100 miles with the travel trailer behind us. A little bit sway, not as bad as it was. It was windy. Of course, now it's not. Second the trailer's off, then the wind goes away. I still think we're going to go ahead and put the sway links on the back. Try that, see how that goes. And yeah. So anyway, the truck is extremely dirty, and Piper says, let's wash it. So we're going to wash it, and you guys get to watch.